Next we'll go with exercise 7.2. Factorial is equal to, factorial symbol is this one, and another factorial symbol is this one, n factorial comma factorial of n. Okay, n
Hey
factorial
there.
is
Subscribe
a
to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
product of first n natural numbers. Okay, na n factorial is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into so on. Okay, example, consider 8 factorial. 8 factorial is nothing but 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, next 4 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Next 5 factorial. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 0 factorial is equal to 0. 1 factorial is equal to 1. Okay, 8 factorial can be written in 8 into 7 factorial. Okay, 6 factorial can be written in 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. 4 factorial can be written in 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. Okay, in this way. Okay, how 7 factorial? 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. All this one is nothing but 7 factorial. Okay, na? This is nothing but 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is nothing but 3 factorial. Okay, na? Next we'll go with the problems. Evaluate first one 8 factorial, second one 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. Okay, 8 factorial is nothing but 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, now which is nothing but 8 factorial is nothing but 40320. By multiplying you'll get this answer. Okay, next second one 4 factorial minus 3 factorial, this one. Okay, 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, you'll get 4 6 6 4 24 minus 6. You'll get 18 is the answer. Next, second question is 3 factorial plus 4 factorial is equal to 7 factorial. Find it. Okay, this is LHS, this is RHS. First you consider LHS. LHS is equal to 3 factorial plus 4 factorial, which is nothing but 3 into 2 into 1 plus 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is nothing but 6 plus
Hey there.
24, which is nothing
Subscribe
but
to my
30.
channel.
LHS
And
is
also
equal to
press
30.
this bell icon.
Then RHS, now we consider RHS 7 factorial, which is nothing but 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. You will get around 5040. This is nothing but RHS. Okay, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, 30 is equal to 5040. We're not equal. Okay, 3 factorial plus 4 factorial is not equal to 7 factorial. Okay, this is the answer. Next, third question, compute 8 factorial by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, 8 factorial can be written in 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Okay, 6 factorial be 6 factorial into 2 into 1. Okay, 6 factorial cancel. 8 into 7 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are, okay, 4 into 7, you'll get around 28. Okay, this is the answer. Next we'll go with the fourth question. If 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial is equal to x by 8 factorial, find the value of x. Okay, given is 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial is equal to x by 8 factorial. We need to find x now. Okay, in this 7 factorial can be written in 7 into 6 factorial. Okay, 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 into 6 factorial, which is nothing but x by 8 factorial can be written in 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Okay, in this both take 1 by 6 factorial common. 1 by 6 factorial divide bracket 1 by 1, 6 factorial is outside, plus 1 by 7 is equal to x by 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. 6 factorial cancel. Okay, now we cross multiply. Okay, 7 plus 1 by 7 is equal to x by 8 into 7. 7 cancel. Okay, 7 plus 1 is 8 is equal to x by 8. X by 8 cross multiply. You'll get x is equal to 8 into 8, where x is equal to 64. Okay, where x is equal to 64, x value is 64. Next we'll go with the fifth question. Evaluate n factorial by n minus r factorial when n is equal to 6, r is equal to 2. Then when n is equal to 9, r is equal to 5. First go with n is equal to 6 and r is equal to 2. Substitute in this formula. Given n factorial by n minus r factorial, where n is equal to 6 now, n is equal to 6 by 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. Okay, 6 minus 2 factorial. Okay, next 6 factorial can be written in 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, all divided by 4 factorial. Okay, 4 factorial cancel. 6 into 5, which is nothing but 30. Okay, next go with n is equal to 9, r is equal to 5. Okay, second one, n is equal to 9, r is equal to 5. Given question is n factorial by n minus r factorial, which will be equal to 9 factorial by 9 minus 5 factorial. Okay, now 9 factorial can be written in 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. Okay, 9 minus 5 is 4 factorial, 4 factorial, 4 factorial cancel, and you'll get 15120. This one is 15120. Okay.